Hey guys, this is Flair from Team Black Belt, and this is a quick Commission Trooper demo to show you all of the functionalities and to show you how powerful this traffic generating app is. So Commission Trooper is a 9-in-1 piece of software that reuses already existing videos and turns them into your own videos without any video creation, just improving an already existing videos. And we will be using Creative Commons videos, which means that the reuse and monetization is allowed. So in a second I'm going to show you all of the functionalities, but first of all let me show you all 9 components of Commission Trooper. Okay, so as you can see right here on the left, we can access all 9. We have the dashboard right here, so we're going to have access to all the stats. When we're going to click on Clickbank, we can actually enter a keyword and then do a search. So let's enter a keyword like money, let's press on go. And the cool thing about Commission Trooper is that not only you can search for Clickbank products from within the software, obviously you could do this, you could just go to Clickbank and do the same exact thing, but what Commission Trooper gives us is the YouTube stats for the keyword that we are looking for. So in that way you can actually find the most popular products, we can get the sales page preview, we can promote it from within the software, and we're gonna get all the YouTube stats for that particular keyword, which means that we're gonna know exactly which videos to start using. Okay, and we have all the stats, so we have all the views, likes, dislikes, etc. Okay, so that's just one of the features of Commission Trooper, and you wouldn't be able to do it simply by going to Clickbank, and Commission Trooper allows you to get all that data. Now we also have Jvzoo, and as you can see we have the marketplace search. So let's do a search right now for, again, money. Let's press on go, and as you can see we have the same exact stats. So we have the YouTube stats, we have product popularity, affiliate details, and sales page preview. And as you can see we have a bunch of different products, and YouTube stats is what's super powerful when it comes to Commission Trooper and what we're going to be doing with Commission Trooper. And then obviously we can access the top sellers from Jvzoo. So this is the top products that are currently selling, top 10. Then we have our favorite platform, Warrior Plus. Obviously we can do the marketplace search. So let's search for commission, and you can also filter by vendor. You can filter by WSO the day only, and let's just click on the search, and as you can see we're gonna get same exact stats. So we have all of these products we can instantly promote, and we also have product popularity and YouTube stats again. So again, we will be creating videos and we need to know which videos actually to use. Okay, and a part of the marketplace search, we also have top sellers like with Jvzoo, and we also have the daily feed, which are products that are launched today. So we have all the information about what to promote and which videos to promote it with without leaving the software. So you don't have to be logging into Clickbank, Jvzoo, and Warrior Plus. You can do all of this from within the software, and that's functionality number 1, 2, and 3. Now next up we have the video creation right here, but before I'm going to actually create a video, let me show you all of the rest of the functionalities. So first of all, let me show you this YouTube Creative Commons search function. So this is super powerful, because this is how we are going to find all the videos that we are able to legally reuse and redo with the Commission Trooper software. So again, let's type in commission, show some results, and as you can see, Commission Trooper found all of these videos that we can legally use because all of them have the Creative Commons license. So if you're gonna go to YouTube, if you're gonna do this manually, you should see something like this. As you can see, license, Creative Commons attribution license, reuse allowed, which means that we can just download it and upload it as is. But what we want to do is actually use Commission Trooper to make the video much better. And again, I'm going to show you what we can do in a second. So another very cool feature is that we can just click right here on select video, and we can instantly add it to the video creator, and I'm going to show you that feature in a second. Next up we have sentiment analysis. So as you can see, we can enter a keyword. So again, commission, let's click on search, and here we are going to get all the data on if the keyword that we are going after is actually powerful, neutral, or not. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the information right here, and this is pulled from Twitter and from Reddit. So two very powerful websites where people actually share videos. So this is super relevant. As you can see, the strength is 22%. We get the sentiment, passion, reach, and the sentiment is mostly neutral for this keyword. And the cool thing is that we also have all the related keywords right here, and we can actually look up the Reddit and tweet posts. So this is very useful for all the data research and for actually going after the right keywords. Next up, we have YouTube video analysis. So here we are going to get all the data, not only about the video, but also about the channel, about likes and dislikes. So we're going to see what people actually like, what kind of videos they are liking, they are disliking. And we also have all the channel info. So this is very powerful. Again, this shows us exactly what kind of videos to use and which keywords to go after. Okay, so as you can see, we have published, views, likes, dislikes, ratings, favorites, comments, duration, channel, and all the channel information right here. So that's the YouTube video analysis. Another feature that I'm not going to be showing you right now, because I'm going to show you the advanced video creator, is the image video creator. So how this works is you just add images and you add an audio file, and a video will be created for you from these images with that audio file. So super simple. You can also add some audio text to be added via speech to text technology. Okay, so as you can see, we have different languages right here. We have different dialects. So this is a super simple way to create videos, but again, I'm going to show you the advanced way in this demo right now. So just keep in mind, you can create all types of different videos with this. And lastly, we have the image editor. So you can actually create images or edit images from within the software, which will save you a lot of money on Fiverr gigs or Upwork gigs, etc. You can create all of these images from scratch, and the cool thing is that you can actually create images with transparent background, which are perfect for YouTube videos, because you won't be getting that awkward, you know, white or green or whatever the color is background. You're gonna get transparent images which are ready to use for our videos. So let me just create new. As you can see, we can add a custom width and height. So let's click on create. We have a bunch of different things. We can add text, we have drawings, we have filters, shapes, stickers. This is super easy, drag and drop, and as you can see, we can make it smaller, bigger, we can move it around. Super simple to work with. Even a 12-year-old can create images this way. And that's just an additional feature just to make sure that your videos look absolutely amazing. So finally, let's create a video. So let me click on create video right now, and let me show you how easy it is to repurpose an already existing video and actually make it better, brand it in your own way, and get tons of traffic from it. Okay, so as you can see, first we're gonna add the title. So let me just add the title right here. Now with the wizard right here, what we can do is we can add the video, obviously, but if we want, we can also add an intro and an outro. So how this works, you can add any video as an intro, any video as an outro. You can also add Pixabay images for video creation, and you can also select images from the image video creator if you want to, or you can just use another YouTube video. So if you just want to compile 3 different videos, make first the intro, the second as a main video, the third as an outro, you can do that as well. But for the purpose of this video, let me just add a video right here, and let me add the Team Black Belt intro, and let me actually add it as an outro as well, just to show you how all of this works. Now for adding the main video, what we can do is we can do the YouTube Creative Commons search, which is the same search I showed you right here. So YouTube Creative Commons search, or we can add the main video if we already have it downloaded to our computer, or we can just add a YouTube URL. So let me just go to YouTube. Obviously you're gonna have to using the Creative Commons Attribution License videos. So I already found this one. And again, when searching for videos from inside Commission Trooper, you don't have to worry about that, because Commission Trooper will only find Creative Commons videos that are ready to use. Okay, so let me grab the URL, let me paste it right here. And the coolest thing about Commission Trooper is that you can add all of these additional things which are great for branding and which will make your video that much better. Okay, so So first of all, we can add a lowered third image, which will be displayed during the duration of the whole video. We can add a watermark image. We can add some text in different colors. We can add an animated text that will be going from left to right or from right to left. And we can also add background audio. So this will be depending on the original videos that you are using. So for the purpose of this video, let me just add a watermark image, which is again great for branding. Let me pick our Team Black Belt logo, and you can select where you want it displayed. So it can be center, top left, top right, bottom left. So let's do top left, and what I'm also going to add is some animated text. So let's add the text hello world. We have the padding, we have scrolling left to right or right to left. Let's do left to right. And I don't need any background audio because the original video already has it. So let me click on create video, and the video should be ready in a couple of minutes. Okay, so as you are seeing, our video is ready. All we have to do right now is just click on the blue button to download it to our computer, then upload it. And if you don't know what to do with a video from this point on, don't worry, because we include all the video training and a case study on how to exactly generate traffic with the video, get commissions, and make the amount of money that you want to make. So that's it for this demo video. Grab your copy of Commission Trooper right now, and I will see you inside the members area.